Homelessness in Ontario is rising, but in Northern Ontario, it's exploding. A new report shows the region has seen a staggering 117% increase in homelessness since 2021.
When the pandemic started around 2020, roughly that around that summer is when we started to notice an increase in street homelessness and visible homelessness. And then around 2021, it just started to spike in just a dramatic fashion.
Despite just making up 5% of the province's population, the North now accounts for nearly 10% of all homelessness in our province. Officials say that the homelessness issue does not come down to just one problem, but multiple factors that all came to light during COVID.
There's the cost of rents. There's just a whole bunch of there was a whole bunch of locally outside landlords that purchased properties, etc. Mental health and addictions and substance misuse is seeing a significant increase. So there's not I wouldn't believe there's not one significant item other than the pandemic that really brought a whole bunch of fractured systems and risk into the fold into one area to highlight. So.
As the report notes, municipalities are increasingly absorbing the cost of managing higher and more persistent levels of homelessness. Looking ahead, the projections are sobering. Under steady conditions, homelessness in Ontario could reach 177,000 people by 2035.
What we're seeing is it's not really sustainable with the level of investments that we're receiving to be able to make a dent. It's going to take an all-of-community approach. We can wait for government, Queen's Park and Ottawa, to try to solve the problem, and I'm not trying to circumvent their responsibilities. However, we as a city, we need to start to have solutions from the inside out and solutions that make sense.
As the report concludes, homelessness in Ontario is not a temporary crisis. For Rogers TV, I'm Connor Snowman.